welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing the September Boxy Charm. This is actually my first box. I'd seen it a couple different places and I thought about purchasing it, but I finally gave in and I'm glad that I did because there's some great products in this box. So let's just dive in. When you first open your box, there's actually a card that comes with it that gives you the descriptions of the different products that you get in your box. This actually comes with 5 full-size products. And then it gives you the description of each as well as the price of it. Now, this box itself is only $21 a month. I was really excited to receive my first box to see what I got inside of it. And the first item that was in there was the Pretty Vulgar Nightingale Smokey eyeshadow palette. This palette actually has 12 highly pigmented shades. There's a couple mattes, a couple shimmers, and a couple satins. It's actually what I have on my eyes today. Just did a simple, neutral, brown tan look. So this is what the palette looks like, and on the inside it has a really nice mirror. There's 3 colors up here in the brow bone. There's a couple lighter shades. There's some darker shimmer colors, and then down here in the bottom you've got 3 mattes. There is a black matte, there's a gray matte, and then a brown matte. Great colors, easy to work with, very easy to build with them. I'm really excited to see what else I can do with this palette. It's definitely something that I can wear on a day-to-day, especially for work because I have to keep it pretty neutral. I like what I came up with today. Just a very basic, pretty neutral eye. So also it tells you what price it is. This actually sells for $35 and that's already covered the cost of the box itself. The next item in the box is the Laura Geller Baked Blush in Brighten. This blush is beautiful. I currently have it on my cheek right here above my contour. Nice terracotta color. I was able to work with it and build it as I wanted to. If you wanted it a little bit lighter, if you want it a little bit darker, just depending on your color. This is a great peachy pinkish color. This one actually sells for $28. So the next item in there was the Alamar Cosmetic brush set. There's 3 of them. They sell for $18. These brushes are made 100% synthetic fibers. There's a fluffy blender brush. We have a flat tight liner brush. And then we have a small concealer brush. The next item in there is the Hank & Henry liquid lipstick. This is a nice, pretty color. It's actually what I have on my lips right now. It says, this frosting scented longwear liquid lipstick glides on smoothly, while its vitamin E infused formula gives your lips the youthful look they deserve. Now, it says it's supposed to smell like frosting. It does, kind of. I don't know if it's definitely like frosting. It has a weird smell to it. I like the color itself. I can't really smell it on my lips right now, but when I'm applying it and I can smell it, it doesn't smell like frosting. Not to me, at least. But I do like how the color went on. I only did 1 pass with this color. It stays true. So it is a liquid lip and it doesn't wipe off. It has some staying power. I've been wearing it for about 2 hours now. I just wanted to test it out before we did this video. I like this color. It brought the look together between the eyeshadow palette, the blush, and then now the lip. I think altogether I got some great products in this box. And for this liquid lip, it retails for $17. Now, the last item in this box, and I tried to use it with this look today, but it just didn't work out for me. I don't know if I have steady enough hand for it, but it is the Butter London Stroke of Wow Roll-On Liner. Now, this liner, when you open it up, it has a little wheel. So this liner has a little wheel on it. And I've seen them a couple different places. I think MAC did one. I tried to apply it. This did not work out for me. I don't have steady enough hand for it, and it started to go all over my eye. So I had to actually go and grab my other liner. So it's not part of this look today. I'll try it out some more. I'll play with it, see if I can get my hand more steady. But my first try at it, no. No. So what it says is it's a longevity complex. This quick drying smudge proof formula is guaranteed to last, and it resells for $19. I'll definitely try it out. I really want to like this. I do like Butter London products, but I haven't tried the roller eyeliner before, and yeah, we'll see. We will see. So I will give it a try. I will see what I can do with it. Maybe I'll get better as I practice, but I'm just so much better with my felt tipped liquid eyeliner. Okay, so like I said, the Boxy Charm boxes come each month. They're $21. When I added up all the prices of each item that we got in there, it came to a total of $117. Thank you for watching the unboxing of the September 2018 Boxy Charm box with me. If you like this video, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below. Make sure to hit that bell icon so you see when new videos are posted. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up so that I know that you like it. And make sure to check back for new videos.